So the average amount of time is 5 years, but it's really variable. And so there are some women that really don't need it that long, and you just got to get them through a little bump in the road. And there are other women that are going to need it for the rest of their lives. It really depends on your symptoms and how the symptoms are being treated by the hormone replacement therapy. So it's generally safe to be on as long as you need it for symptom management. Then again, if it's no longer needed, then there's no point using medicine that you don't need. So again, the average is about 5 years. Some people less, some people more, depending on how your body tends to respond.
And I can say I'm probably going to stay on it for quite a few years. My hot flashes were absolutely overwhelming. And there are women that have hot flashes for the rest of their lives. And it's not an issue of just sweating in front of other people. It just was, I was just so uncomfortable. And when I got on HRT, I felt balanced again. I felt good again. And I'm almost afraid to go back to that that hormone depleted state. So I'll probably always stay on it. Not saying that I'm recommending that. I'm just saying that's what I'm choosing.